Hello, I'm Staff Sergeant Smith.
And I'm Sergeant Danner, here with CNAU New River.
In this video, we'll be covering the 01 TAC 1 Alpha TAC 509 Technical Manual. For the remainder of this video, we'll refer to this technical manual as the 509.
Cleaning and corrosion control is a vital part of maintaining aircraft, and if not taken seriously, it can lead to catastrophic failure.
Volumes 1 through 4 of the 509 will be covered today.
That's good, because I'm a little rusty on the 509.
Yeah, good one. Volume 1 of the 509 provides overall program information, preventative maintenance, and corrosion theory. Chapter 1 of Volume 1 is the introduction to the 509 and explains the purpose, usage, and responsibilities for changes to the 509.
Chapter 2, Corrosion Programs, outlines the corrosion control and preventative maintenance program requirements and provides general safety information. Chapter 3, Corrosion Theory, explains what corrosion is, why it occurs, the forms it can take, and how to recognize it. It's important to know the type of corrosion when signing off or initiating a work order discrepancy.
Volume 2 of the 509 covers cleaning, lubrication, inspection, corrosion-prone areas, corrosion and paint removal, surface treatment, sealants, preservation, and emergency procedures while handling aircraft corrosion.
So Volume 1 helps us to identify corrosion and how to prevent it, and Volume 2 is going to help us with cleaning it up.
Yeah, that's right. Hey, I thought you said you were rusty. Volume 3 is for avionics and electronics. It covers the same things as Volume 2, except instead of aircraft, it focuses specifically on the avionics and electronics that are in the aircraft and the test equipment utilized for maintenance and troubleshooting.
So Volume 3 covers cleaning, lubrication, inspection of corrosion-prone areas, removal, treatment, sealants, preservation, and emergency procedures also.
Yep, all of that, but also has chapters covering electromagnetic interference shielding and electrostatic discharge. Now that we're up to speed on how to identify ways to treat corrosion, let's make sure we have the proper tools to complete the job.
Which brings us to Volume 4, Consumable Materials and Equipment for Aircraft and Avionics.
This volume provides information on the approved materials and equipment used for cleaning, corrosion prevention, and corrosion control for aircraft and avionics.
This volume will provide you a list of materials, part numbers, national stock numbers so you can order them, the unit of issue, intended use, and whether it is usable on the aircraft and/or avionic components.
Now, like always, before handling any hazardous material, ensure you read the safety data sheet and use the proper personal protective equipment identified in the maintenance instruction manual or the safety data sheet for the job.
After watching this video, you should have a general understanding of what the 509 manual is and how it can help you with your corrosion and control needs. By using these 4 volumes, it will help you to keep your aircraft in a flight-ready status. Now get out there and bust that rust.
CNAU New River, out.